Hello everyone, let's go to the remove items from the dictionaries. We can remove items by using pop. Let's try it by yourself. Okay, we created. You see we have a dictionary of 3 keys and 3 values. And when we delete by pop deleted values. We have the pop deleted by keys. The values has been deleted. But if we want to delete an item, how we can do that? Let's use this. Some of them are new codes that added to new items. I don't really understand well them. But this item means it's deleting the last key and value in your list. Also, you can by using del delete a thing in your list. Let's see how it's works. It's deleting also same as the past. You can clear your list by using clear item. It's not really a hard thing. You can do that. Let's just do the test fastly and go there. Use pop method to delete them. We can use them. Let's see what it we have here. We have loop, copy, nested dictionary. What is nested dictionary? Can you have any guesses? This is an important concept that we are going to cover. What is nested dictionary? It's a dictionary in a dictionary. It's very useful. Look here. For example, we have a person, and each person have a dictionary in dictionary. But some of you may ask, we have a dictionary in dictionary. How we can call something in this dictionary? Let's see how we can call. For example, what happened if we call child 1? Okay, you say it's okay, it's gave name and year. But one thing you may ask is what the type of the thing we are calling is. Is it dictionary? Yes, it's a dictionary. That means we can call another times here and call name. And delete the type. It's giving us ML. It's a good way for searching in dictionary. I like using them and going to use them. They are very useful. You see here we have them, and also you can add a new dictionary easily to them. Here you see my family, create a dictionary using the dictionary we have. It's a method also. And I say you can print it, you can get the items. Each of the concepts we have are working. Let's do this test and end the theory of our dictionaries. Then we are going to solve, I think, 10 dictionary exercises. I tell you in the past you can escape them if you think you are already ready. But I say it's good to solve them, but we are going to do them also. Let's go and solve this question and then start our 10 lessons exercise for dictionary. Okay, what will the correct syntax for printing the correct syntax for printing the name may? Print customers C1. We want the name may. Because of that, it's C2. Customers C2 and name. It's the right way. What is the insert the emission part of the loop through the key and values of the nested for X object in customers dot item. See, I tell you dot item. Don't be frustrated if you don't understand what is it doing here. We are going to learn them by doing some works and exercise, but just not now. In the 10 exercise that we are going to do, a dictionary can only have one level of nested dictionary. False. It can have as many levels as it wants. What will be the result of the following code? If x is bigger than y, print. It's the if and else. The exercise has been ended. Okay, we are going to create a file here, and let me new notebook in Drive, and we just call it, let's open it, we just call it dict exercise, and we are going to solve 10 exercise on dictionary in the 10 lessons. But don't forget, if you have any question, you can ask in the comments. I will answer in 1 day. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Until the next lesson, see you.